I hope you guys haven't been naughty this year. And now we have the tears of Wales that we need. The back, we're taking it out again. I don't know why, but we're just going to have to do it now. And here we go for part 2. You get it? Here, here. Because we're working on our hair and makeup. No, just here. All right, lines main out. Going safari. First, let's get our March into impression down. Separate our top hair from our bottom hair. Yeah, it is the top from here and then the bottom here. Like hairy bottom. Okay. There we go. Smooth it back. And up and at him. With this yellow skin and this updo, our March into rendition is almost complete. All I need is my blue dye that I can't seem to find. I guess we won't be dyeing it. Because not today. Yeah, because I'm putting in a button and it's in a knot. I hope you guys haven't been naughty this year. Alright. Now we got the back and we have our slave whip out. Ooh, looking good. Now we're all attached. Alright, yeah, spray it up. Let's get moisturized. Right, now we get our curling wand slash comb slash heated pad of destiny. And we just have to pick out our hair and comb through. You see how my hair looks like it's turning into strips of bacon? Because we are hot. Excellent, most excellent. We were not prepared. There we are. There we are. Smooth. All right, let's pull that back. Make sure we get so tight our hairline might recede. Glowing like the moon. Alright. Get some strings out so it can look like Pennywise the Clown's face makeup. Because the circus is me. Let's stop clowning around. You get it. You get it. Alright, thanks up to all my people. Just 1 second, 1 second. Let's get the tears of the whales serum. But first, the diaphragm of a boar I took down in Zimbabwe. Now I'm now using as a hair tie. Shout out to all my African viewers. Asimawe, Asimawe, Asimawe. In the jungle, the mighty. And now we have the tears of whales that we need. We're going to be applying this throughout and scrunching them. Whoa, let's get it. Oh, no. We're being under attack. No, no, it's fine, it's fine. Return fire. You guys have a good day. Now that we defeat our enemies, we can get back to making ourselves queens. And now that knot that we made in the back, we're taking it out again. I don't know why, but we're just going to have to do it now. Let's get it moisturized. Spritz, spritz, spritz. Hot take, Drake is overrated. I'm joking, I'm joking. If you don't like Drake, you gotta beat it, beat it, beat it. Okay, we're sliding through. And we're still combing. Still combing. And now a little bit more tears of our elephants. Sticky but succulent. Like maple syrup. Smooth. Listen up. Let's flip this up. Now that our crowns are almost complete and we've scrunched our hair with our elephant tears, we're gonna need a little bit more. Here we go with our baby hairs that we stole from Pennywise. We don't use them for the same benefits though. Well, almost there. A bang. Hair toss. A bang. There we go. All right then. We'll go bye-bye, lovelies. Glad that you guys were here. You get it? Here. Here. Bye-bye. Divine mix. It's all in the mix. Yo.